Hey everybody, a month ago I had to have a wisdom tooth taken out and I had to eat a lot of soft food. I tried to making some creamed carrots and I was really surprised at how simple and how quick and delicious creamed carrots are. It's just carrots in the pressure cooker for 3 minutes, turn off the heat, come back later, put them in the little food processor with a little bit of butter, and you're done. Here's some water. Okay, we're going to cook this for a couple of minutes after it starts spitting, then turn it off and put it in our little food processor.